show us the bubble cone.
That's a monster.
Service with a smile. Look at that. Beautiful.
I just did your signature, yeah? And you have a 2 spoon here.
Yes, perfect.
This is the cookies and cream bubble cone. My favorite.
Cookies and cream, right, sir?
Yep.
So this is the late snack dinner.
Yep.
That's our dinner. After dinner,
That's our dinner.
we skipped our other dinner.
We had a late lunch, and I said,
Travis's bubble cone.
yeah.
Is that a double stuff Oreo or
Yes.
regular Oreo?
Oh, it's a Oreo, regular Oreo.
Regular Oreo.
Let me just get the sauce, okay?
Sauce on top of that.
Here we go.
Okay, smile for the camera. Beautiful.
Uh-oh.
Napkins too.
Oh, you got it.
You're gonna send that to
Enjoy.
Thank you.
I hope you